Hi, Laura. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Jhonny. How are you?
Fine, and you?
Fine, thank you.
It's your first time, right?
Yes, it is. Is there something that I have to know?
Yes, we are going to set up your bike.
Okay.
For first, I need you alongside the bicycle and put your knee,
Lift my knee.
leave my knee, yes. As you can see, you need to put the seat with the same level. So I'm going to, and you need to be sure your poppins are secure. All
Okay.
the poppins. And the seat is the same
Hi.
height to the handlebar. So I'm going to write the same and your poppins. Please stand up, get up on the bike.
On
Okay,
the bike.
the first.
Okay, we are going to see if that seat height is good for you. For that, I need to you put abajo, put your foot on the bottom position and your heel on the center of the pedal. As you can see, is too higher for you. So please get all right. Thank you. Okay. Sit down. We are going to do. Yes. Put your heel on the center of the pedal. Is better, right? This is the high seat. It's okay. All right. We are going to see your seat. Okay. If it's in front or less, please stem your foot into the case. Okay, this is for secure. So in this, I need you to put all two pedals in this position. This in front. All right. We are going to see if your kneecap is in line with your pedal, in the center of the pedal. All right. In this kind, is very good. So please, pedaling. Do you feel good? Okay. For the handlebar, if you are pregnant or you have some back problems, you need to be higher. But if you don't have nothing in your back, you can put in the same line of your seat. But I think it's better for you a little higher. Please give me. Always sure, be secure. Please, pedaling. Do you feel much better? All right. So finally, I'm going to I'm going to give you some safety things. For example, if you need to increase or add or decrease resistance, you can do it with the yes, there's resistance knob. Can you please make to right and feel? Yes, it's harder. So please relax, it's okay. The other thing about this is you can make with safety brake. For example, if you need to brake, for security brake, you can put down. Push it down to stop. Thank you, very good. Please pedaling. All right. Another things, you have monitor right here. Safety place is no more than 110 RPM. Never in your life, because it's not safety for you, and not less than 60 RPM. All right, this is 60 to 110 is a safety place. It's a good place. And your touch and towel and your bottle of water is we can place in this place, because if you put right here, it's not secure for you because you need to put your hands right there. So you can put here, okay? In the class, when you are pedaling, please never do that. Left your hands or your handlebar, because if you do that and you are pedaling, you can lose your control y caer al suelo, okay? All right, pedal, please, pedalea, por favor. Okay, another thing is about this. It's not be relaxed, right? You can, in this place, you just, this, please, your shoulders be relaxed. All right? Yeah, this is the place. Very good. This is all. Enjoy the ride. If you need something or you have a little problem during the class, please lift your hand and I'm going to help you. All right?
Thank you very much, Jhonny.
Nice. Thank you. Ya, ahora sí, ese ya quedó.